Hello class, in this video we are going to take a look at this code and debug it. We're going to debug this code, get rid of the syntax errors and the logic errors and make sure it runs correctly. So we are dealing with some variable names now. We're finally moving on from right and right line. We're still using them, but we are moving on. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Let's run the program and see what it looks like. Always click no here and we can see what errors we have. Now I could go by and look at it, but your IDE is great about helping you out with finding the error. So line 9 is we are looking for something in line 9. We have a comma here when we should have a semicolon. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. That'll get rid of the line 9. Next one is line 11. The name enter does not exist in line 11. So right, okay, the reason why is because enter, when it says it does not exist, that means it's looking for variables, but enter should not be a variable. It should be just plain text in the right line. So I'm going to go ahead and add a double quote there, and that should fix that line. That fixed a lot of errors. Number 1, applying source changes while the application is running is not supported by the runtime. Okay, I'm going to ignore that one for now. Only assignment, call, increment, decrement, wait, new object expression can be used in a statement. That's line 15. So in line 15, boss name equals read line. So this is a check. 2 equals is checking the left to the right, but we're not checking. We're trying to assign. So let's go ahead and subtract backspace, get rid of that 1 equal sign. And then we have the name is named the same, does not exist in the current thing. So number 17. So is name the same, and this one up here is our name's the same. So we got to fix that. Our name's the same, and that should fix it. Let's go ahead and run it and see if that helps. Enter your name, Mr. B. Enter the name of your boss, Mr. B. It is true that you are your own boss. Okay, so this is going to be true or false. All right, so we're dealing with some of this stuff. Our errors are gone. Now, if we're looking, we have this one. Applying source changes while the application is running is not supported by the runtime. That is, that's not really an error for our code. Let's go ahead and get rid of this line. All right, so if you have a yellow warning signal, that's not necessarily an error. That's saying that something doesn't look right, but your program can still run. So name is going to be read line, boss is going to be read line, so that's all fine. It runs fine to me. I don't see anything wrong with that. Let's just try a different name. Mr. B, Mrs. B. It is false that you are your own boss. That's right. I'm married. She's the boss. Okay. Let me know if you have any issues with the debugging. We're just making sure everything runs right. Variable names have to be the same. You can't just get close and hope that the program fixes it for you. If you don't, if you're not consistent with your variable names and you want them to be, if you're wanting to reference a variable here, it has to be exactly the same as the name you give it earlier in the program. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video.